Hi, thanks for being in a new video. I'm at IFA in Berlin, a technology fair, and I came across this Barbie bud. Let's see what's here, because meeting Barbie at a technology fair is a bit strange, but join me to find out what is the product they are exhibiting here. So look, here we have it to give you a little closer look. In fact, it is available in two colors, although for many people they will probably be exactly the same colors. But notice, one is a little darker and with a different pattern. So these are the two Barbie camera options that Kodak prepared. Obviously, the optics are going to be quite simple. In fact, it has fixed focus. Don't expect extremely high quality photographs through this camera. But I think for a gift for a girl, it could be quite attractive, especially also to transport us to those moments of analog photography. Note that it has a viewfinder through which you can basically get an idea of how your picture will come out. The camera is quite simple. It only has its power button and shutter. Obviously, it is a simple button that does not have different levels as it has fixed focus. But here the interesting thing about the camera is that it will have a slot through which you can immediately print the photos. That will be its differential factor, besides obviously being with the Barbie brand. But what do you think if I take a picture to print it and see how it comes out? Then watch there, they will take a picture of me and we will review the result right now. Obviously, it will take a few seconds to print that picture. But by the way, I forgot to tell you that you can also place a micro SD card in this bottom if you want to keep a digital backup of these photographs. But the basic idea is to have all these photographs in an analog format in the physical world, that your photographs are no longer in the virtual world. Then Watch is about to finish printing this photograph on this type of sheet that simply requires heat, so you do not require special ink or anything like that. There is the result of the photograph. Obviously, for an even more advanced result, would have to clean the lens, because in this case the lens was quite stained after many people are playing with this camera. But obviously I tell you that the detail of this camera is to have a memory even half blurred, and with this very retro style of your photographs does not focus on image quality, but in the experience of printing your photograph directly from the camera. The camera has a USB-C port for charging, and note that it also has a small LED battery status indicator. So let me know what you think of this camera. For now, I just want to show you how curious this boot is, because there are people taking pictures with this Barbie frame and there is a lot of decoration. So it is one of the most colorful boots that we see in this IFA in Berlin. Well, for now, this has been all for this video. I hope you liked it. The truth is that I found it very curious and I just wanted to share it with you. See you next time.